Welcome to Net Treasure. This video isn't just a headline. It's a question that thousands of people are wondering about every day. How do I get started? What do I do? And can I actually make a good income from home? In this video, I'll answer all these questions in detail, provide practical examples, and advice from the experiences of people who have actually started and made money. If you're interested, follow along until the end. The first part we'll discuss is, what is online work? Let's clarify. Online work isn't a game or a scam. It's simply that you offer a service, product, or even content. And the internet is the intermediary that connects you with the customer or follower. The big advantage here is that you don't need a specific location. You don't need to adhere to specific deadlines. You can get started even if you don't have the capital. But in return, it requires patience, commitment, and self-development. Part 2. What are the types of online work? Here we will present practical examples. 1. Freelancing and microservices. Platforms: Fiverr, Upwork. Service examples: image design on Canva, article writing, data entry, audio transcription, CV creation. Practical idea: if you know how to use Word or Excel, you can offer a data entry service. Even if it's something simple like writing 5 pages for $5. 2. Affiliate marketing. Explanation of the idea: you market products or services, and if someone buys from your link, you receive a commission. Platforms: Amazon Associates, Jumia One, ClickBank, Awin. Create a Facebook page or a small YouTube channel where you review simple products like headphones, kitchen tools, or books. And put the purchase link. 3. Transcription and translation. Highly sought after on global websites, and even on freelance platforms. Examples: transcribing lectures, writing video content, translating articles from English to Arabic. The advantages here. If you have a strong language skills or love writing, this is a guaranteed field. 4. Social media management. Every small business today needs someone to manage it online. Tasks: publishing posts, responding to comments, designing simple images. Tools: Canva, Meta Business Suite. Practical example: if there's a clothing store in your area, offer to manage their page for 1,000 EGP per month. Start small and grow. 5. Online teaching. Platforms you can use: Preply, Italki, Udemy. Examples: teaching English, explaining programs like Excel, or even cooking courses. The advantage here: you can start via Zoom or Google Meet without any complications. 6. Content creation. Forms: YouTube, blogs, TikTok, podcasts. It takes time, but the rewards are huge. Example: the Net Treasure Arabic version channel itself is proof that you can start with just an idea and, over time, build an audience and generate income. 7. In recent years, a new field called UGC, or user-generated content, has also emerged. The idea is simple: companies don't necessarily have to bring in celebrities to make ads. They ask ordinary people to create videos or photos of their products in a very natural way. As if you were a regular user sharing your experience. A company that sells skin cream sends you the product, and you make a short video trying it out and talking about its features. Or a restaurant asks you to make a video trying it out. Eat them. The advantage is that you don't need a large channel or a huge audience. The companies themselves are the ones using your video in their ads. The pay in this field is very good. A simple video can reach $50 or $100, and globally, there are people earning thousands of dollars per month. How do you get started? Create an account on sites specializing in UGC, like Billo, Trend.io, Join Brands. Or build a portfolio, samples, on TikTok or Instagram. When companies view your content, they'll contact you. There's also a way for you to contact companies by sending them a professional email with your portfolio. This is a rapidly growing field, and it's great for people who love appearing in videos or even simple mobile photography. Now we'll talk about practical steps to get started. Many people ask, how do I get started? Let's go through them step by step. First, define your niche. Find what best suits your time and skills. Second, build a strong profile, whether on Fiverr or LinkedIn. Have a clear description of your services. Third, offer a service at a low price. At first, money doesn't matter. What matters is getting positive reviews. Fourth, continuously develop your skills. Take free courses from platforms like Coursera or YouTube. Fifth, expand your network. Get to know more clients and offer different deals. Tip: don't try to start in 3 or 4 niches at once. Focus on one, and when you're good at it, you can expand. Let's talk a little about the challenges and reality. It's important to know that working online isn't a smooth road. In the beginning, you might go weeks without a client. Sometimes you'll find people trying to pressure you to raise your prices. Sometimes you'll feel like giving up. But the difference between those who succeed and those who quit is consistency. Have a clear goal, even if it's a small one like earning your first $100. When you achieve it, you'll be encouraged to continue. Now I'm going to give you some golden advice. Invest your time in learning a sought-after skill. Keep a portfolio, samples of your work, to show to clients. Learn how to market yourself, how to write an engaging description of your service. Manage your time and set working hours as if you were an employee. Most importantly, don't believe any advertisement that says earn $1,000 in one day. True success is gradual. In this video, I've tried to explain all the basic ways you can start working online, with practical steps and real-life advice. Now it's your turn. Tell me in the comments which method you like the most. Would you like me to explain it in detail in a future video? And if you're new to Net Treasure, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And activate the bell to receive all the new videos that will help you get started and succeed in your online business journey. See you in the next video.